If you want to learn how to browse the web with Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you the basic steps you need to get online, open new tabs, navigate between pages, save bookmarks, check your history, and use private browsing. This is a great beginner-friendly guide, whether you're completely new to Firefox or you just want a fast refresher on the basics. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start from the beginning. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox launches, you'll see the main browser window with the tab bar at the top and the address bar just beneath it. The address bar is one of the most important parts of the browser because it's where you can go to websites or search the internet. Click inside the address bar at the top of the screen. Now you can type in a website address if you already know the site you want to visit. For example, you might type a specific homepage, news site or video platform. If you don't know the exact address, you can simply type a search term instead. Firefox will use your default search engine to find results for you. After typing your website address or search term, press Enter on your keyboard. If you entered a web address, Firefox will load that website. If you typed a search term, you'll see a list of search results. From there, you can click any result to open it in your browser. This is the fastest way to begin browsing in Firefox. Now let's talk about tabs, because tabs make browsing much easier when you want to keep multiple pages open at once. If you want to open a new tab, you can click the plus button next to your current tab. That gives you a fresh page without closing the one you already have open. This is useful if you want to keep one site open while checking another. To move between pages you've already visited, Firefox gives you simple navigation buttons. The back button takes you to the previous page you were on. The forward button brings you back to the page you just left if you've already gone back. And the reload button refreshes the current page, which is helpful if a website isn't loading properly or if you want to see updated content. If you find a page you want to come back to later, you can save it as a bookmark. To do that, press Ctrl + D on your keyboard. Firefox will bookmark the page and usually let you choose where to save it. Bookmarks are a great way to keep your favorite websites organized and easy to access without having to search for them again. You can also check your browsing history anytime. Just press Ctrl + H and Firefox will open your browsing history panel. This shows pages you've visited recently, which can be very useful if you forgot to bookmark something or want to return to a site you viewed earlier. History is one of the easiest ways to find pages you've already opened. Now let's look at private browsing. If you want to browse without saving certain activity on your device, press Ctrl + Shift + P. This opens a private browsing window. In this mode, Firefox doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data in the same way a regular window does after you close it. It's a useful option when you want a more private session on a shared computer, or when you just don't want your recent browsing saved locally. And that's it. Now you know the basic ways to browse with Firefox. You've learned how to open the browser, use the address bar, search for websites, open links in new tabs, move back and forward between pages, refresh pages, bookmark important sites, check your history, and start a private browsing window. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.